whenever I start my foundation, I always make sure that I first cover like my marks, all my stubborn marks. I always make sure that I just cover that first, because in that way I can see what I actually need to focus on and I don't have to put so much foundation on everywhere else. So I've covered my dark marks. I probably won't even show you guys because they're so bad at the moment. And in case you guys are wondering if I have like all this white stuff, it's because I actually put milk of magnesium on my skin before I put on my foundation, because it just controls my oil and my shine, and it really keeps my makeup matte all day long, literally. So I literally put milk of magnesium over here on my T-zone, and then maybe a little bit there, but mostly it's like on like here where I get like super oily. So now I have it in my hair, which is annoying. But anyway, oh yes, by the way, so the foundation I'm using is the one by Revlon. So, oopsie, L'Oreal Infallible. L'Oreal Infallible 24/7 Fresh Wear. Love this foundation. This is like my budget foundation if I don't want to spend too much money on like foundation. And this foundation is super nice because it like really sets into your skin and it gets matte. Like it's not, it really gets not matte, but it has a really nice finish where you don't even have to put too much powder. I literally wear this foundation with no powder, but I will put powder on just to give it a flawless look, but you don't have to put powder on because it really sits so well. And by the way, I'm using this brush, little kabuki brush. Love this for foundation. I feel like I'm really zoomed in, so I don't know if I'm like in the shot, but anyway, so I'm using this brush for my foundation. Love it. I always like using a fluffy brush for my foundations. I feel like it gives like a really flawless look. Cheers. Green tea. By the way, I decided that for today's video, I'm gonna do a really nice classic red winter look. Like classic smoky eye, red lip, perfect for winter type of look, right? So that's what we're working with. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with my angle brush. So what I normally do, I use black because normally my hair is black. So I'm going to go in with my angle brush that I use. Ooh, I feel like I get so like stiff when I record. I need to relax. And by the way, I really like to do my makeup close up. So I don't normally do my makeup on like a big mirror like this. I normally use a small mirror and my makeup always turns out really well. But for the sake of the video, I'm obviously just going to use the big mirror. But I literally prefer to do my makeup literally like this for everything. My eyes especially, even my foundation, and my makeup just turns out so much more like just detailed and just more precise. So many other things to do, you know what I mean? Okay, cool. So next I'm going to go in with my L.A Girl concealer. I'm using the one in Fawn. I'm just going to carve my eyebrows. I like to use just a little bit. I don't take a lot, like literally like a little bit, like that, with a flat concealer brush. And then I'm just gonna, I like to start on the corners there and then the corners there. This is the part where I fast forward my video. And then what I like to do before I go in and work on my eyebrows and my eyes, I like to put a very thin layer of my concealer underneath. And I like to wing it as well. This video, I'm going to go in with the L.A Girl highlight and contour kit. This one is in the color tan. Let me just have a look. Yeah, this is in the color tan, so I'm going to use the highlighter on that. L.A Girl contour in tan, so this really nice chocolatey brown. if you want your makeup to look flawless, try and use as much little colors as possible. So don't like use orange here and then a different brown there and a different lip color. If you want it to be like seamless, like that Jennifer Lopez kind of makeup or that Kim Kardashian kind of makeup where it's just like flawless and it's seamless, try and use the same colors for like your eyes and for your cheeks, and then also for contouring, and then maybe also for your lips. Don't use too many different tones of colors and different tones of browns on your skin or on your face or on your makeup in general. So I'm going to stick with this contour palette by L.A Girl in tan.
Color, not the main color, but the main brown color. I'm going in my crease. I hope you're still recording on my word.
On the corners of my outer eyelid.
And just bring it as well. And then bring it in halfway. I'm just going to bring it in halfway. I'm just going to bring it upwards. Like that.
Then I'm going to go in with the black again and just focus on those outer corners just to create depth. Using into like that whole thingy-mabobby. Anyways, I actually got this product. I've never used it before. Well, I've used it before, but it's the first time I've bought the product and I've been using it. It's so small. Look how tiny it is. So annoying. I don't know why they make it so small. Then I'm going to go in and just line my eyes.
Yeah, and I'm also going to put eyelashes on. But of course you always want to work neatly.
Okay. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation brush. I know some people use a beauty blender, but I don't mind. I use a foundation brush. A nice clean-ish one, if you really want to get a flawless look, of course. And then I'm just going to blend out that concealer. And then you're really pushing it, that airbrushed look. So embarrassing. Look how filth, like it looks so dirty. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with this concealer. It's a bit lighter than the other concealer I used. I'm just gonna put it over here and also over here because I want to create that Botox effect, because I feel like my face looks very stressed out here, maybe because of how I slept. So I have like a few frown lines, so I'm just gonna put that there just to get a Botox effect, a more plump look.
So I want to quickly blend that so that I don't get any crease, because I need to work really quickly so I can set all of that. So I'm going to work very quickly on this one. And then I'm going to set this concealer. I love this black technique of using a lighter concealer here because you really do get that Botox effect. You can see. And then also here.
It's a very thick concealer, so you don't want to put too much.